Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to access Lendingclub's online help center. The Lendingclub Help Center is your first stop for resolving common issues without needing to contact support directly. It provides guides, FAQs, and step-by-step instructions to handle everyday banking, loans, security, and account management. To access it, start by logging into your Lendingclub account on either the website or the mobile app. At the bottom of the screen or menu, you're going to find a help or support link. Clicking this is going to take you directly to the help center. Now, if you're not logged in, you can also search Lendingclub Help Center in your browser, which will bring you up to the public support portal. Inside, topics are organized into categories like check-ins and savings, loans, payments, security, and technical help. Use the search bar to type in a keyword such as autopay setup or fraud disputes for instant access to detailed article. The Help Center is updated regularly, making it a reliable way to get self-service solutions quickly. If your question isn't answered, most articles include a button to contact support directly for more detailed help. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. So if you liked it, hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.